slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Stuff back here once again, and today, as you can see, we're going to be taking a quick little look at these Bred off-white Jordan 4s from my boy Tianya Shoe Industry. Before I get into the video, if you are new to the channel and you do like what you see, hit that subscribe button, show some love that way. Turn on notifications, drop a like on the video, and last but not least, follow your boy on Instagram at RVStuffTV. With all that being said, these took about 2 weeks to get here, give or take. I was sent QC pictures. I've been rocking with him for a while, so he is a good seller. I don't condone buying any of this sort of stuff that you see in the video, but you guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. So man, let's just get into it and make this video nice and snappy. So here's the information for the seller. That's the website right there. I'm sorry if I'm a little shaky, but there's that. You got the WeChat as well, WhatsApp, and then Instagram is at 229.7093823, and it is Tianya Shoe Industry. So that's all the information you'll need. If you have any other questions, DM me on Instagram, of course, related to the seller, not just what's the best shoe site or whatever. But yeah, let's get into it, man. Put the shoes to the side real quick. This is the box it comes with. Main difference with these and the sale ones that are released is just colorway, really, so it's not a whole lot different. But yeah, typical box, got the holes all over it. That's what the size tag is. This is just a retail. These are size 13. That's as big as they go right now. Got the pull tab, box, and inside the box, you just got this paper. For some reason, it is a little faded on this. I'm not too sure why. Got a little authentication sticker and nothing else really. This isn't even paper, by the way. I don't know why I said paper. I meant plastic. It is a little faded on the Jumpman. Nothing else really going on with the box, so pretty standard in terms of what we've seen on the last off-white Jordan 4s box wise. So throw that to a side, and here are the shoes themselves. So this is an early look. I believe they're supposed to be releasing sometime this fall. These do look clean so far, so I haven't really seen anything wrong with them. Got the Air Jordan underneath the tongue, Nike Air on the inside, a little sticker, I don't know what that's for. Got the size tag right there as well. But yeah, general build quality of the shoe looks amazing. There's no glue stains really anywhere, so that's also a good sign, of course. Got the little zip tie right here that says Off-White CO Nike 2020 zip tie. Got the black laces. There's no extra laces that were included with these. As we get closer to the release of them, we might see some more laces, but yeah, I don't know what other laces you could add in these. Maybe red, I don't really know. Off-White for Nike Air Jordan 4 or IV, whatever. Wait, that says V. Yeah, it's IV. So I thought it would say V, but I forgot V is Roman numeral for 5. So but yeah, pretty dope. You got suede on most of the shoe. Then you got that typical Off-White ripstop, typical frayed material there on the toe box going all around, and then underneath the netting as well. You also have that leading all the way up to the tongue where it switches back to suede, and you got the Jumpman right there as well with the flight. So nothing we haven't seen yet. Again, this is just a color palette switch from the last off-white 4s that were released. Literally the exact same shoe, but just different colorway, which I am much more of a fan of these just because they're black and they go with more things for sure. Bottom of the shoe, there you go. Typical paint bleeding that you might see here and there. Besides that, looks good. You got the cloudy midsole right there as well. You can see some material underneath. But yeah, generally the shoe looks really clean. Good quality from the seller as well, so I am happy with it. Left shoe, of course, same deal, nothing crazy going on. Got the Air with the Jumpman there, got the Air text. Little overview, you guys already know what's going on with the shoe at this point. But yeah, clean shoe. There's the back. Medial side, Off-white for Nike, Air Jordan 4, Beaverton, Oregon, USA. Y'all already know with the off-whites how it goes. Gonna be reviewing a couple more pairs of these, I believe, so keep an eye out for that. I think they're all gonna be the same batch roughly. Size tag inside the shoe. So yeah, guys, pretty quick little review. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section down below. Are you guys gonna be trying to cop these when they drop, or is it a drop for y'all? Let me know. You know me, I'm UA gang, but you guys do what you want with your money, of course, like I always say. With all that being said though, guys, hopefully you enjoy the rest of your day. Let me know your thoughts are in the comment section down below on these shoes. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at RVStuffTV. Drop a like on the video if you fuck with me, and if you're new to the channel, leave a subscribe for your boy and turn on post notifications as well. Hopefully you guys stay blessed, stay healthy, stay safe out there. COVID second wave coming soon, looks like, so keep an eye out. Stay safe, sanitize your hands, wear a mask, all that sort of stuff. Don't be like my idiot boy Trump, even though he's not my boy, fuck Trump. But he got COVID and so did his wife, so hopefully he drops. Anyways, with all that being said though, guys, I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.